Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar again, and we're starting off on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, if you saw my morning video, first of all, this is why I don't counter trend trade. This morning I was saying that this is likely an A, B, C, and maybe it was going to go down here before it continued up, but that definitely wasn't a trade that I was going to try to take. But instead, the trades that I'm looking for is the end of every single one of these pullbacks. The trend is year fed, and obviously the trend is definitely still up on literally every time frame except for the monthly. If we zoom way out on the 1 hour time frame, I think it's going to go up to 78% around 149, and it possibly could go up to the 150 because there's another area way up there. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short, but I definitely would be waiting patiently for more three-way pullbacks or more pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.